Hey, do you need a snapshot of your sales? Well, here's how to generate order reports in seconds inside of MorePro. If you don't already know, MorePro is a software that's helped countless rental and service-based businesses make hundreds of thousands of dollars already, and that's why I use it for my own personal videography business. My name's Tony, I'm your business ally, and in today's video, I wanna walk you through how we can generate order reports. Doing so is gonna help you track what's selling, when, and to whom, so that you can make smarter inventory and business decisions. So if that sounds good and you're ready to learn, then let's dive in. All right, so we're talking about how to generate order reports. We've logged into the MorePro software. Where do we go? Well, we need to go up to the reports page and go down to the order reports section. Now, this is our demo site, so you're not gonna see a lot of big numbers and everything looks like it's trending down. Hopefully this is not what your business looks like, but I would still wanna show you the information. And what you're seeing is earned income, delivery fees, and orders in a comparison from this week's information at the top compared to last week's information. So it's a week by week comparison, and it'll help tell you what's trending up or down. So you'll have last week's earned income number, you'll have a cash flow in from last week, average order cost, the linen revenue specific to linens, discounts given, number of signed contracts, number of visitors, and then number of pages. And again, all that's last week's information compared to this week's and whether it's trending down or up. And then you have delivery fees. Under this section, you have last week's delivery fees, the average delivery fee order, the damage waivers the amount of money in damage waivers, the sales tax, rental revenue, number of new quotes, number of new customers. And then for orders specifically, you have last week's number of orders, the number of deliveries, number of will calls, number of order requests, number of reviews, number of calls, number of SMS, texts, and number of emails for this week. If you scroll down here, this would be where you would see all your reservations already made from clients. Again, this is the demo, so we don't have any made, but you'd have your calendar that you're currently in, and you could see any reservations you have for the week. If you keep scrolling down, you actually have some further information. You have the items going out this week, and this would show you specific inventory items and how much of them in quantity is going out this week. You have deliveries going out, so you have the specific deliveries that you have going out this week, the date, the name of the customer, the address that it's being delivered to, their phone number, and all that vital information will be right here. You have customer pickups this week, and all that information that you would need if you need to access it. There's partially paid orders, so anybody that's given partial payment, their information will be right here, and you'll be able to see how much that is and be able to contact them. And then you have a 7-day report. It tells you the date, tells you the revenue and how much you needed to make on that day, tells you how many quotes and customers and calls that were made that day in the past 7-day report. You have an employee report as well, and it shows you your employees, how much they've earned, stops they've made, deliveries, pickups, and miles that they've covered. And then if you keep scrolling, you'll have a web analytics report, which is time-stamped, tells you how many visitors you had, how many pages they saw, and then where your traffic is coming from. So Google ads, Bing ads, Google organic searches, Facebook, Google Places, Bing organic, Yahoo organic, Instagram organic, and then also referrals. And you'll get a number report for all the interactions from those places. But this is how we run an order report inside of MorePro. All right, so to quickly recap, we got inside the MorePro software, we went to the reports page, and we went down to the order reports section. From there, we're able to see all that great data, and now you know how to use this feature so that you can track what's selling, when, and to whom, allowing you to make smarter inventory and business decisions. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already and start running those order reports. And don't worry, if you have further questions along the way, you can reach out to this email below for help at any time. I'm so glad that I could showcase this feature for you today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like to our channel while you're here so you don't miss any of our new content, but also so you know exactly where to go if you have questions about how to get the most out of the MorePro experience. Until next time, I'll see you later.